I'm Andrew.
I'm Kevin.
Welcome to Brojects.
Kevin and I managed to score some really nice old theater seats. They come in pairs of 2. They're really comfortable, and they're great for one person for 2 seats.
Yeah, that's pretty good.
So we were each trying to think of different things to put beside our seat.
A little element underneath our extra chair. Flip it up, make your own popcorn.
It's a dumb idea, but I think I like it. He came up with a popcorn machine of some kind that he's gonna try and attach to his seat.
It might be a little dangerous.
You got your little popcorn fire, and I'll have my something else.
2 chairs.
2 chairs.
So I'm gonna think about something for that.
Got a lot of little things left to do. We haven't even touched the seating for the theater. I'm just having a little think about that right now. The only thing I'm having a bit of a hassle with is I have to melt the butter somehow. That's the biggest problem, butter.
I still haven't figured out my seating for the theater yet.
So I went down to the antique shop,
Where our friend Case showed me his extended collection of antiques.
and I was trying to think, what would I want beside me?
Why, hello.
This one young lady caught my eye. She's looking at me. So I decided to go get myself a date.
It's pretty much typical Junior. There is something seriously wrong with you. It's almost too creepy to be around. She can't stay, man.
It's either her or me.
You guys can live together.
Kevin's a little creeped out by the whole thing. And maybe rightly so. But I think once it's all said and done, it'll put a smile on your face, and that's kind of what it's about. How's your popcorn machine coming?
I'm never gonna eat again, so it doesn't matter.
The mannequin's really cool. It comes apart, but they only move in certain ways. Their joints don't kind of articulate like that. So I cut off the ball joint in her shoulder, attached a hinge, and now she's able to do this. And now I have to figure out a way for her to hold my snacks.
Did you name her at least?
Kevina.
I'm out. This is part of the popcorn chair. It's basically the element, so it's gonna heat up the popcorn, and I just had to drill a couple holes in it. I cut this board, and now I'm gonna try to attach it to the floor under the seat. So now the chair and the popcorn apparatus are all in one piece, so I can slide it in between the batting cage and the movie theater.
Before, in front of the stage, we had this blank canvas.
Now we have this theater with a screen that falls from the ceiling. We got a nice old 1930s theater seating, some nice coming soon and now playing theater posters. You know, we hit this one out of the park.
I don't even want to talk about Andrew and his wacky weirdo date.
Oldest trick in the book.
With the newest trick in the book.
I really enjoyed the movie. Both Kevin and I had a really good time watching it. Kevin popped some popcorn.
Making popcorn while you're watching a movie was kind of a fun little thing to do.
It was a little loud and the popcorn was a little stiff, but it did the job.
Kind of had the wrong oil. I had olive oil and you need vegetable oil, but anyhow, I liked it. Great build. We got ourselves a theater. We can watch whatever we want.
We basically don't have to go outside anymore. When we first moved in here and it was a bare, empty space, you could have your imagination, you could have your ideas, but now those ideas are starting to actuate themselves. We've got a bar and we've got a bathroom and the whole room is starting to come together. People come in and they look at this place and they're generally impressed. It's kind of exciting.